Today we're going to be going over some Robinhood listing news and much more. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu Coin you have, how many you want to have, and also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. I'm going to be implementing a like goal of 300 likes for this video. If we can hit that, that would be awesome. And if you guys are interested in getting some free Shiba Inu Coin, then go ahead and use that first link in the description. Get signed up with Public, the social investing app. When you deposit just $1 on the app, you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock that you can then sell and invest into Shiba Inu Coin. Boom, you have yourself some free Shib with that first link in the description. Without any further ado, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. Okay, so here we are on public.com. We can see that Shiba Inu Coin is close to that 34 level now. Obviously, we took a dip earlier this morning, and a lot of you guys were probably pretty scared at that. But it looks like we have now recovered, and we are on kind of a rocket ship right now. I don't want to say we're going to break a resistance line here, but we'll go over that in the technical analysis. So really what I want to be going over today is the Robinhood news, and then also another cool piece of news as well. So if you guys want to hear all that, stick around till the end of the video. So first off, I want to get straight into the Robinhood news. So Robinhood could be in deep financial trouble if they don't list Shiba Inu in 2022. And the reason I wanted to bring this up is because we're pretty much forcing Robinhood's hand at this point, because Robinhood is not doing too hot. Robinhood has come to a point in terms of finances that only Shiba Inu can bring profits and generate revenue. Robinhood shares are falling sharply, and the top exchange platform could be staring at an upcoming financial crisis. Its shares have dipped to $19 after opening at $38 per share in July 2021. Add to its misery, its Q3 results have shown a dip in revenue compared to its Q2 profits. Its crypto trading revenue is just $51 million compared to $233 million during the second quarter of 2021. Also, 61% of its Q2 profits came from Dogecoin alone. And they should know that their Q1 profits next year, if they do list Shiba Inu Coin, will be close to what Dogecoins were, because people are going to be FOMOing in. Shiba Inu Coin is going to be going off the freaking charts, and they're going to be trading Shiba Inu Coin like crazy. The drastic dip in crypto revenue can be due to Dogecoin's price being stagnant since May 2021. Sorry that moved. Doge has shown its limited growth during the second half of 2021, and that its hype has fizzled out. Investors jumped in on other tokens, and therefore Robinhood suffered a dip in revenue. While all the top 10 platforms have listed Shiba Inu, only Robinhood is the odd one out among the exchange firms. This is what I don't like, doesn't make much sense to me, is like all these top 10 platforms have done it. Shouldn't that mean that the SEC is most likely okay with you listing Shiba Inu Coin? That's just my thoughts on the matter. But yeah, so the firm is also letting its customers be devoid of Shib, despite it being the most talked about crypto in the world. Overall, not listing Shiba Inu will only do harm to Robinhood. I agree with this sentiment. The exchange platform needs to get its act straight and focus on revenues not only for itself but it's for its shareholders. Wow, they're really calling them out here. Only a Shiba Inu listing will do good to Robinhood and its shareholders. A Shib listing will open the floodgates to new customers and also propel a meme token's price to new highs. So this is like a win-win, but really Robinhood needs Shiba Inu Coin more. In conclusion, the only saving grace for Robinhood in 2022 is Shiba Inu, as it can generate larger revenues. Also, if you guys didn't see my video last night, I do want to mention that Shiba Inu just got listed by Spain's biggest exchange, Bit2Me. So yeah, really why I brought this article up is to remind you guys that Robinhood does need us. Robinhood, literally, if they don't list us, their revenues are going to be terrible. If they do, they're going to be getting a ton of money from Shiba Inu Coin, just like they got a ton of money from Dogecoin in Q2. So Robinhood needs us. They might be playing a big game. Oh, we don't need Shiba Inu Coin. No, they need Shiba Inu Coin. We could use Robinhood listing, especially if we want to go to massive new heights. However, we don't need it. Robinhood really needs it, and that's the point I want to make in this video. And now I want to go over another piece of news coming from Gossip Shib. Really is from VMower though, but they said, "I'm pleasantly shocked. Thank you, VMower. Shib can now be used with Visa." So let's go over this. The VMover Twitter account said, "Shib Army, you did your part, we'll do ours." From Monday, December 20th, so in 5 days, you'll be able to top up your crypto debit card directly with Shib. So what does this mean? Traditionally, you can only top up your crypto card with Ethereum and sometimes with USDT. Mover is different. We are adding now a support of Shib. So it means that Shiba Inu token can be used to top up your Mover crypto card. And they said, where can you spend it? Well, anywhere where Visa is accepted. It's pretty much everywhere now. So basically, if you guys want to use Shiba Inu Coin to pay for something, you are technically now allowed to use it anywhere. However, you have to basically send your Shib to VMower, and then they will give your crypto debit card money, if that makes sense. But it's a much faster process than like selling your Shib, putting it back into your bank account. Through this way, you're able to just say, oh, I just want to pay for this thing that's $10. I send my Shib is connected to Mover DAO, and then I can pay for whatever I'm paying for. So it's now connected with Visa technically, so great stuff to see here with Shiba Inu Coin getting accepted pretty much anywhere now through this crypto debit card. Okay, now it's time to go over the global crypto market. So the global crypto market is actually up 5% in the last day, believe it or not. Even with that whole coin market cap situation we had yesterday where Shiba Inu Coin was briefly the #1 coin by market cap, Bitcoin is now up to 49,000, Ethereum is back over 4,000, and when we come down here, Shiba Inu Coin is currently sitting in 13th place at $18.6 billion behind Terra Luna, Dogecoin, and AVAX. AVAX absolutely killing it today, but we can see here Shiba Inu Coin. The volume is sitting at about $1.1 billion, which I would like to see get up to $3 to $4 billion range. However, it is not yet, and we're now over that 34 area. Really what I would like to see is this volume to get up, but yeah, let's go over this technical analysis now. So here we are on the technical analysis, and we can see that we weren't doing too hot at the beginning of today. We were just kind of falling off a cliff here. I mentioned in my video last night that we were seeing a ton of upward pressure, so we were seeing higher highs and higher lows, but that kind of all fell apart this morning, and then we fell apart throughout the morning, and now we are back here and we have absolutely bounced back. The RSI is going off the chart here as we have not stopped having upward pressure. The MACD is trending up, which I love to see here. Could we possibly see another big pump like this? I'm not really sure, but we haven't even seen a red candlestick in the past couple of hours. It's been all green candlesticks. This is what you call a 3 white soldiers pattern right here. So I would expect bullish movement for the rest of today, considering the pattern that we just saw. The RSI sitting at about 62, which isn't too much. We can still definitely make a push up to probably this previous resistance here at the 35 level. So I see us getting at least to the 35 level before probably cooling off and consolidating a bit. But the volume is starting to pick up right now, so I do like to see that. But yeah, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe, and also comment how much Shiba Inu Coin you have, as all those things really help to grow the channel. We're trying to hit 50K by Christmas. If you guys could help us out with that, please help us out. Help us reach our like goal of 300 likes. Get your free stock with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1. You get up to $70 worth of free stock. Our Discord is coming soon. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.